Okay, so right now I'm going to demo something that sourcers use a lot and also agency recruiters or executive recruiters when looking at competition or maybe even looking at your own company. So right now we're in ChatGPT 4 and I built a prompt. I just built a prompt for our class. And what we're going to do is look at Target's Glassdoor review, right? So for whatever reason, let's say you want to get a kind of a snapshot or a write up on someone's Glassdoor review. So let's try this in ChatGPT 4. Now I've got this already created. If you take the class, you will have access to all these, but kind of like templates. That way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So the company is Target. I'm going to cut and paste the Glassdoor review. I'm going to hit submit, and then I'm going to hit go. And let's see what ChatGPT 4 can do. Now, this is going to take a little while because, as you know, ChatGPT doesn't really interface with the internet yet. So you have to have a plugin. So right now I'm using the Web Pilot plugin, and it's going to the link. Whenever you add a link, ChatGPT knows you're trying to get it to do a search. So this is real time. I'm not going to speed this up because I'm going to compare it to one of ChatGPT's competitors. So it's almost done. Okay, so now we're getting the results, and it looks real nice. Key indicators, red flags, findings, leadership. Look at all the red flags. Company culture, red flags, interviewing. So, and here's a summary. Very nice. So you can just copy this, and now you have a nice little overview of a company's Glassdoor reviews. So this is going to be kind of a dual demo. Okay, so now I'm going to go to one of ChatGPT's competitors. This is Claude, and it's by Anthropic, and it's a really cool competitor. So I'm just going to cut and paste the same prompt we just saw in ChatGPT 4, and the link is in here. Okay, I just cut and paste the link. I don't have any add-ons, and I'm going to hit go. And this is real time. It starts immediately, and it's got a link. So this thing went to the internet, found the link, and you see how fast it's going. And it just looks nicer. The outcome is, they're all going to be kind of the same right now. All of the competitors are kind of the same, but wow, doesn't this look nice? And you copy it. And so that's a real nice demo of how to do a Glassdoor review. Now, I didn't show you the prompt because I want you to take my course. So when you take my course, we will build this. It's a very complex prompt, but we will do it together. So hope you enjoyed this. Check out our training, and I'll see you on the next video.